So let's continue about the answering the question that what are the particular outcomes you want to customize in this dashboard, or what are the others you want to integrate, or what you have done already.
Right now, we really just have a website and a Facebook page. We want people who are looking to have an LED wall built or that want a billboard, promotional things for their company to be able to, put that in Google and for our website to pop up and just for them to easily be able to see what all we have to offer. And we just need more clientele because everything that we've done in the past hasn't worked. We've paid a ton of money for several months and it'll bring in like one or two extra clients and it just hasn't been worth it. So we're just looking for somebody to help us with that really. I think your mic is off.
So these solutions was integrated in the OpenClaw or the other services you have integrated.
I'm not sure what he has used in the past. I just know that he's hired several people or he's used several services and nothing has came of anything. So we're just wanting to know, basically how much is this going to cost? When should we see results? And just the process overall.
Absolutely. So I think what is your budget for to just make this whole workflow build for you? Because if I can tell you about the costing, that could be like if I ask you the first question, so what emails, what the numbers, emails you want to send to the clients, or there's any follow-ups, there's any number of limit of the leads you generate in your websites, like you want to follow up them all the time, like weekly or like that. Is there any number, or if you want to tell me so I can give you the costing and the different things, the numbers, the research accordingly.
I'll have to talk to him about that. I'm not really sure what the budget is, or I don't know. We were wanting to hear a number from you.
Okay. Because last time I have just built the follow-up whole outreach with the OpenClaw, and they have just like 100 to 150 leads they are generating. So the problem they just discuss about with me, and that was like they can't give or the follow up to that particular leads they get in the month. So I just automated all the things with the AI agent, because we for 100 leads or the 50 leads we need the like 10 to
Ashley, do
20
you want
people
the girl
to
on the
that.
billboard ad while she's here?
I'm on the Zoom call.
Oh, you be on
I don't know.
it. If you can end it by 9:30
Okay.
or
10:30.
10:30, yeah.
Okay.
So I get 30 minutes for her.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
We'll work on this.
So we have just automated all the outreach system, like the follow-ups. So that problem has, so is there any problem like that you want to discuss, so I can understand the what the context and what the problems I should implement in your business.
Okay, so I understand that you do weekly follow-ups. How do we get the leads? How does that work?
So the leads would be integrated with the platforms like Apollo. You know about the Apollo?
I don't know about Apollo.
So Apollo is the platform which has the
Ashley, you want
millions
to
of
stop?
emails of the businesses, like in USA and UK. So that would be integrated with this whole workflow AI agent, and whatever the client's industry want to target. So I will train that AI agent to just target these industries in this particular countries, and then it will be automated all the things, and it will grab the emails from that particular platform. Because so it depends on the client's needs that what we should integrate. So if I just tell you my last clients, like he is from UK and he don't want to integrate the Apollo. He just give me the another platform which is like Lucia, which is same but good leads. They can generate good leads. So I connect the Lucia API with that AI agent workflow, and then it just it depends on the client. So whatever the platform they can just suggest me, I just connect with that platform, and then it will be automatically integrated all industries, targeted audience, or targeted businesses according to different countries, and it will fetch from that particular database CRMs, and then it will make a plan for it, and this whole process will be automated accordingly with the AI agent system.
Okay. So you can do Apollo and you can do OpenClaw. Is there anything else?
So your professional emails will be integrated in this system, and the SMTP, we will use the SMTP, and it will automatically send all emails to that particular emails. Like you have the professional emails with the website. Like if I can say I have the email of yasser@nayaflow.com. So I have integrated my email, professional email will be sent by all AI agents with whatever the emails they have generated will be sent through the SMTP.
Okay. Is
So
there
this will
anything
be
else?
absolutely.
Sorry?
Yeah, this will be the whole process. But if you have any customization, I will do also that customization, like the platform you want to integrate or anything you want to just send the reports on Telegram or WhatsApp. It will be connected whole system to your Telegram, because I will send you the video of my last client. He has generated for as a result he just generated from the sales lead, and it will show you whole scenario that it he was also chatting with that particular systems with the Telegram bot.
I'm so glad you were here. And you understand me.
Let me send you this, the case study. I've sent you in the chat.
Okay. How do we go
So
to the chat?
sorry.
I don't
It's
see
in
the
the
chat.
Fiverr chat. It's in the
Oh,
Fiverr
got
chat.
it.
It's a video of showing
Okay.
you the Telegram connected to the OpenClaw, and it will show all the stats, and you can customize it. Like if you want, like if you thought that today I will target the audience, like my audience, my businesses, according to your thought or process, that I want to target US companies and take me out the Apollo leads and just send them email this. Like you can suggest the email, and it can also generate the emails accordingly with the personalized things, like with the website scratching, it will also scratch all the website, and it will send you all the emails personalized accordingly with the businesses they own.
Okay. And so what would be like the monthly charge for that?
Like the systems, it will be your system, it will be on your VPS, and I will deploy it to your VPS, and you will be controlling whole system.
Oh, we'll have to control it all?
Yeah,
Okay.
with the chat, because it will be running 24/7 on the VPS, and
Uh-huh.
you can control it like if you want to customize. And I can also build this whole system, the prompt engineering behind it, like the emails. You can suggest me that this will be the follow-ups, this will be the hot leads, this will be the cold leads, and these all emails I will integrate into it and train it accordingly that whatever the emails you want to share, this will be the list of these and you have to send these accordingly. So it will follow along and will show you the reports on Telegram or any other platform you want to integrate, like WhatsApp we can integrate. And also we can integrate the Slack for your team. If you have a team, you want to show the reports of the sales, and this has the lead capture, like it can send the reports daily or weekly to the Slack channel to show your team that it's working or it's finding the leads and all the things. And you can also access that particular dashboard where you can see all the analysis, whatever the lead generation, it had occurred accordingly with the daily perspective or the weekly perspective.
Okay. I think I understand how it works now. I guess all we would like to know is what the cost is.
So the cost of whole system is my premium cake price. That would be the like the cost price. But if you are asking about the cost of whole system, like what would be the monthly cost of that? So we can do is like it depends on the usage of the tokens we use. And the best LLM is the Cloud Code. We will use the Cloud LLMs, like which is the Sonnet 4.6 is the cheapest model, but the reasonable model. And we have two models options, like we can use the Opus, and the other is Claude Sonnet 4.6. So like, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So because you just okay. So we have two models. The cheapest model is Sonnet 4.6 and the other is Opus, which is some expensive from them, but the reasoning capacity is both are same. So we will use as the Sonnet 4.6 as your email generator, and we can use multiple also OpenAI, and if it depends on the the client's budget, and it can be integrated.
Okay.
So the costing, if I can say, it could be like I have deployed the VPS, and the costing of that particular system is like 500 to $800 per month for the
And
token usage.
that's for everything?
That's for everything, and you have to give the $9 for the SMTP for sending the 5,000 emails. And the other platform, if you are using the Apollo, that could be like $23 per month. We can use the $23 subscription. And if you are using, like we have two platforms, like Lucia and the Apollo. So Lucia has the best B2B leads, which is also expensive from the Apollo. That's like they have subscribed $199 per month.
Mhm. So
So
we're looking at around $500 to $800 a month.
it would be the 500 to $800 would be the LLM costing. Like they are generating the leads or the emails they have using the tokens. Like the LLM will use the tokens and it will be implemented as the tokens costing.
Okay. And then what if we do this for a few months and we're not seeing any results? We just cancel the subscription, or how does that work?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
What if we were to use you and pay you and we don't see any results out of this? We just cancel?
So you have seen the video of screen recording Telegram. It has the case study. They have generating the leads.
Mhm. Okay. All right. Well, I will discuss this with my boss and we will let you know, okay?
Absolutely. Great.
All right,
Really
thank
pleasure
you.
to meet you.
You
Thank
too.
you so
All
much. Yeah.
right.